If you've ever done a little rearranging furniture, you know it can leave a bad impression. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll give you a couple good solutions to unwanted carpet dimples right after this.
Termites damage about 600,000 homes in the U.S. each year, and we don't want your house to be one of them. Join us at Today's Homeowner for Termite Week, now through March 14, where we're sharing exclusive advice straight from pros to help protect your home. Check out our articles, videos, and special podcasts with the latest termite expertise and tips. Plus, register to win a free termite inspection for your home. Visit todayshomeowner.com/termite week today to learn more and enter.
You've decided you want your couch on the opposite wall now, and that tired old easy chair is being relocated to the basement. But the dimples left in your carpet are even uglier than the chair, right? You don't have to live with those ghosts of furniture past. Next time you're trying to undimple carpet, try this. Take a damp rag and place it over the dimple, then use a steam iron on its cotton setting and lightly press it over the spot, making sure to inject plenty of steam. It may take 2 or 3 passes, but the steam will help revive the compressed carpet fibers. You may also go to the opposite end of the spectrum and rub a piece of ice on the spot, then use a metal spoon to refluff the fibers. Afterwards, run the vacuum cleaner over the area for a fresh new look. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.